What's up, guys? GNCRC back once again, and today we got an unboxing, well, I guess unpackaging, for the parts for Gollum. You guys know I'm building this chassis by SKP Engineering. It's called the Warthog. So I'm getting some of my parts. Oh, yo, guys, check out Jay's RC Expedition. He got some real cool things on his channel. Jay's RC Expedition. Alright, so I don't know what order I have this in, but I got these parts earlier this week, and I'm just gonna open up a few of them and show you what we have.
I love it when a plan comes together.
So I don't know, like I say, I'm thinking this is part of the first batch. Could be wrong. Okay. So everything out of this one. So in this one we have the Power Hobby carbon fiber chassis. Well, the rails, actually, the rails. This is going to be for this particular one. I'm not really sure if I need them, but I just thought it was cool, so I did grab that. Now, the wheels that I chose to go with, but this is not the last choice. These are the Defender wheels by Power Hobby. You can find these on eBay. I looked at them and I just liked the design, but I still got another set that I want to try out. So I got a set of these. This is for Gollum, of course. And let's see what we have here. Okay, so just to kind of give you an idea of the colors I'm going with. Got these wheels by Power Hobby. These are aluminum wheels and these are glue-on wheels. I'm not really sure I'm gonna stick with these. But yeah, these are the ones that I have. This may be the ones I use when I put it on the shelf. Not really sure. And then I got these shocks. These are by Power Hobby also. Grabbed them on eBay. So that's kind of the theme I'm going with, the green and gray. Now, I may go with these, which I originally bought for this particular Jeep, but I may put these on Gollum. I'm really not sure. We're gonna find out pretty soon though. Next up, let's see what we have here. So next up, I got this motor. I'm not really sure it's gonna work for what I'm trying to do, guys, but we will know soon. This is a Mini Z motor. This is a 4100, and the reason why I got this is, from what I understand, but I'm sure it's been done, you can't put the FuryTech motor in here because of the size. But I think his name is Shane. I think he got something coming up pretty soon. I'm not really sure, but I think he got something coming up pretty soon for the FuryTech. But you guys stay tuned to Shane's channel also. I think it's called Cinemoto. He has some pretty cool stuff there. But yeah, this is the motor I'm going with. And I know it's green. That's pretty much the reason why I got it. I know that sounds crazy. But let's kind of sticking with the thing. We're going to test it. It may not work the way I want it to work, but we'll find out soon. And then I think this was the next one. I got this from Amazon. Let's just see. I just can't remember what it was. I got a ton of packages coming in every day, guys. Okay, so this is the steering link by Trill, and it's in the green also. Pretty cool. And then here, this is one of the last parts for now. Of course, I am going to have a whole lot more things that I'm gonna do to it. Plan on modding that one all the way for the most part. At least I think I am. And then the guy, of course, guys, you guys know the name. This is the FuryTech. Now this is the Lizard. And I'm gonna tell you the reason why I went with the Lizard. It's because this chassis, it doesn't have much space in the inside from what I can tell. And I don't plan on running the 3S on this one. I can't see a reason to run 3S. Even with this one, I don't see a reason to run 3S. And this one has this is what I really wanted. But I looked at the size, I'm like, I don't know. So this one has the Tegu, I guess is the way they call it. Now this is the one that I still have to put the motor in it. You guys may have seen it on one of my videos. I got the motor with what is this? The conversion kit. And what is this? This is the motor mount. So we still got to get all of that put into here. And once I do that for this one, and of course the rails, once I do that, I'm gonna probably be done with this one for the most part. Might have a few more parts that it may print. I'm not really sure. But yeah, that's pretty much one of the last parts to the build that I'm doing with this. So the goal is, guys, to get all of these parts. Found a receiver. I had it somewhere. I almost panicked because I didn't know where it was. To get them all in here. Now, the thing is, I don't know if I'm going to start on this first or I'm going to jump on this because I still got to put the motor and got to get the motor in here. And I'm going to clean up these wires also once I get the motor in there. Tighten them up a little bit better because I'm still running the brushed in here. But we got to tighten this up just a little bit. But we're going to be starting on the Warthog build pretty soon. And I want to get this thing out. Do some crawling. I still got to build a course. We're going to build a course for home. I think at some point. I don't know when, but we're going to build a course at some point. So until next time, guys, it's GNCRC. Over and out.